What you are seeing over here is the daily chart for the euro against US dollar, and then let's plot the chart for the while. Alright, going to use trend line. Alright, just put this up. Alright, you can see there's a rising trend line. Price is spotted on at the rising trend line itself, and let's drag it up a little bit, and that forms a rising trend channel. So we can see that the price is currently resisted at the top of the rising trend channel, and it begins to fall. And right now we are also seeing some retracements. So price is appreciating for the second day itself since last Friday. So let's zoom in the smaller time frame. Of course, in the 4-hourly chart itself, you can see that there's still pretty much gap right here before it touches the bottom of the rising trend channel. So that still gives a opportunity to go for the short, or rather sell. So let's zoom in the 1-hourly chart. Alright, let's plot the trend line as well. From the top, right here, we can see the price has been resisted once, twice, and then it finally broke above it. So this could signals for the price to reverse, or to gain further, or at least retrace more significantly before we actually look for the short opportunity again. Right, so what happened is that since price has broke above, then we are expecting the price to retrace further, at least to the price of 1.1295 before we look for the short opportunity. But however, with that said, based on the structure itself, it does forms a structure that signals the price may appreciate further. So let's just wait for the price to appreciate further till it reaches the price of 1.1297, and you may want to go for the short opportunity, or if not, you may want to wait for price to retrace all the way back somewhere to the price of 1.1208 for a long instead. Of course, at the same time, at this level, you could have shorts as well. Based on the intraday trade, that could still give you a good 80 pips before it touches the level at 1.1217. Alright, so that is pretty much for the euro against US dollar. And next we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. This is the daily charts as well. Alright, we can see that the price has been falling all the way. We have a very huge fall right here, and it pulls back, and that also signals right now price is consolidating, and that also signals the price may fall further from here. So let's zoom to the 4-hourly chart. Alright, pretty much we can see the price has already broke above the key support level at the price of 0.6500. So price is at the lower side of it, and therefore it signals the price may fall further again. And zooming the 1-hourly chart itself, we are seeing the price is being supported at the price of 0.6415. Price may rebound, so let's wait for price to rebound a little bit, retrace a little bit further and then we shall look for the short opportunity. You may want to plot a falling trend line right here, somewhere at this level could be a good price to go for the shorts, and that will be the price of 0.6470. Alright, so that's pretty much for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. And next we have the pound against the US dollar. This is daily chart. Right now we are seeing the price is being supported over here at the price of 1.5359. And just want to bring your attention to the monthly chart, is that we can see that there's a very key support right here at 1.4798, and there's a very key resistance level at the price of 1.7119. Price is currently at the lower region, and therefore it could potentially mean the price may appreciate further to the top again, and that really gives us a lot of profit to be made. And therefore, back to the 4-day chart. Alright, this could be a good price to go for a long, and based on the structure itself, if you zoom in the 1-hourly chart, you can see that there's a inverse head and shoulder that's forming right here. So you may want to wait for price to retrace further back to the price of 1.5370. Right, repeat again, 1.5370. That could be a good price to go for a long opportunity. And we want to set a stop loss somewhere about 30 to 40 pips away from the bottom right here, or rather at the head of the inverse head and shoulder. Or rather, you can actually go for the intraday shorts right now. That could give you about 50 pips to 60 pips of profits to be made. And that's pretty much for the pound against the US dollar. Alright, next we have the Aussie against the US dollar. So based on the day one chart, we are seeing the price is still falling further. It's going on the downward trend. So let's plot a trend line over here, and then let's drag it down to see if it forms a channel. Right, does look somewhat like a channel, though we do not see the price is respecting the bottom that much. Or rather, we can actually tweak a little bit, place it like that. Alright, place it this way. That will give more sense. So you can see the price is rebounding off from the bottom, and then zoom in the forward chart. Alright, price, there's still pretty much a gap at the top side, but just take note of this support level. Alright, this is one of the key support levels. So we are expecting price to appreciate or rather retrace further till it touches the top or at the falling trend line itself. So zoom in the 1 hourly chart, we are already seeing the price is at the key support right here at the price of 0.7126, and this could be a good chance to go for a long. You may want to set your stop loss somewhere at the price of 0.7090. Alright, and we're aiming for, at the take profit level, we're aiming for is the first level at the price of 0.7189, then followed by 0.7242. Of course, top of the, or rather at the falling trend line itself. Alright, so that's pretty much for the Aussie against US dollar. Next, we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. Alright, so this is the day one chart. We can see the price has been appreciating gradually, and suddenly there's a huge plunge right here, and we're seeing the price is gaining again. Let's zoom in the smaller time frame in the forward chart itself. We are seeing there's a consolidation right here, and price broke above and actually appreciate further from here. And zoom in the 1 hourly chart. What we can do right here is to plot a trend line from this point to this point, and we can drag it up. You can see that there's a channel that's forming right here. So we do see the price has already reached the top, and it came down, went out a little bit further, and it begins to fall again. So this could potentially mean the price may begin to fall further, or rather retrace further, before it resumes appreciation right from the bottom of the trend channel, or rather the rising trend channel itself. So at this point of time, you may want to zoom in the smaller time frame, the 15-minute chart, wait for some forms of retracement right here, maybe somewhere to the price of 121.34 for a intraday short all the way to the bottom. That could give you a good 120 pips of profits to be made. Or if not, just wait for price to reach all the way back to the bottom for a long opportunity. Alright, so that's for dollar against the Japanese yen, and last but not least, we have the dollar against the Swiss franc. So similarly as the dollar against the Japanese yen, we see that there's a huge plunge right here. Alright, back to the forward chart. There was actually a falling trend line, and price has broke above it, came back, got support at the previously broken falling trend line as well, and we are expecting price to appreciate further from here. Anyway, right now we are just seeing price is moving into a consolidation. So let's look at the 1 hourly chart. There was previously a rising trend channel, I believe. Yep. So we are seeing the price is already beginning to break below the bottom of the rising trend channel. That signals for the price to fall further from here. So it could just means that the price may make significant retracement, which also give it opportunity to go for the shorts based on the intraday shorts. So zoom in the smaller time frame in the 15-minute chart, you may want to wait for price to retrace a little bit, probably back to the price of somewhere over at this region, 0.8613, to go for the shorts again. Right, potentially it can reach somewhere the price of 0.9556 if it starts to fall from the price that we mentioned. That will give you about 50 over pips. And that's pretty much for the dollar against the Swiss franc. And with that, I've come to the end of today's trading analysis video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.